Hello, I am Rishtan Sen, a student of Zoology Honours from Delhi University, and today I'll be presenting a video on the role of microbes in agriculture and bioremediation. As many of you know, the world population has reached 8 billion. This means that the food crisis has become worse. The issue with our current method of increasing our agricultural output involves the use of excessive chemical fertilizers and weedicides and pesticides, which are not feasible in the long run. The second main method involves the use of GMOs or genetically modified organisms, which are now met with a lot of skepticism. So in this segment, we will be discussing four main methods by which they will improve agricultural output. The first one involves improving the quantity of minerals in the soil, that is improving soil quality. The second involves increasing the resistance of the plant to abiotic and biotic stresses. The third involves that the microbes act as biocontrol agents. And the fourth involves bioremediation. So certain plant growth microbes such as rhizobium, Pseudomonas and Trichoderma and many others improve soil nutrient content by increasing nitrogen fixation, phosphorus mobilization and potassium solubilization. EPS or exopolysaccharides cement and stabilizes the soil aggregates together, creating a biofilm that increases water retention and regulates nutrient and water loss. For example, in Uganda, certain farmers use a biofertilizer called Symbiome Van Plus biofertilizer produced by T Stains and Company Limited. Contains Bacillus megatrium, glomus, certain strains of glomus, and gigaspora. They improve salinity tolerance and bioavailability of nutrients such as iron, copper, zinc, and phosphorus. Most biocontrol agents are of the genus Bacillus, with Bacillus thuringiensis being the most widely used biocontrol agent against common fungal pathogens and insects. Its derivatives are found over in 70% of all bacterial biopesticides. Pseudomonas fluorescens has been established to be effective in controlling certain strains of root decay agent Aphanomyces cochleoides in sugar beet as the commercial fungicides. Nematodes such as Steiner nema and Heterorhabditis secrete lytic enzymes that enable them to invade and release bacteria in the insect's hemocoel. The infected insects soon die of septicemia. Moving on to the role of microbes in bioremediation. A certain species of Pseudomonas putida, has been widely used in oil spill decontamination. A strain of bacteria called Dichloromonas aromatica show the ability to anaerobically degrade benzene, xylene, and other aromatic compounds. So, this was just a brief sneak peek on the potential that microbes hold in terms of improving agricultural output and bioremediation. More research and development is required in terms of harnessing this potential that microbes hold. And I would like to conclude with a quote from the father of modern microbiology, Louis Pasteur. The role of the infinitely small in nature is infinitely great.